Hello, it's me, Sana. Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do a really yummy experiment today. You may be wondering why these cereals are here. Make a guess of what the experiment is. But I'm telling you, the experiment isn't how to eat cereal. We all know that cereal has a lot of stuff like vitamins in it, so it's supposed to be healthy. That's why we eat it for breakfast. But my mom wouldn't agree with that, you know. So let's just check the things how much the cereal has. Let's try this one first. Look at all the things in these cereals lined up. It looks like they have a bit of vitamins and calcium and a bit of iron. What? It has iron? I've heard of that. It attracts to magnets. But wait a second. Why would there be iron in cornflakes? Because I thought iron was poisonous. You can't eat it. Well, if cornflakes is healthy, then we must need iron. Now let's do a little experiment. Okay, so let's just look at how much iron there is. This one has 30. This one has, I think it's 60. And this one has 90. Okay, so we're gonna pick the one with more cereal, that's 90. So we're gonna take some water and put some of the cereal in the mixie and grind it. So first let's fill up the cup a bit. Okay, so that's done, and now we're gonna pour it into this cup. Okay, and now we're gonna put the lid so we can grind it. Okay, so make sure you have a grown-up with you when you do this part, because it's not really safe for you to do alone. You might get hurt or anything. So now let's grind it on. It might be a bit noisy. Okay, so I think it's kind of let's take it out. Okay, so let's look at it. So do you see, it's kind of like a yellowish water. So we can use these magnets to attract the iron out. Now let's pour it into this cup. So I've poured it in a cup and I have a plastic spoon. Why do I have this plastic spoon? We could also use a metal one. Well, let's see. Oh, metal sticks to the magnets. Let's slowly stir this. Okay, and now let's just try to get the iron. Oh look, they're following the magnet. The iron's coming and following the magnet. You see the traces of iron particles? They're following the magnet because they stick to it. Wow, that was amazing! So let's just talk about why that happened. So we all know that iron is everywhere. The earth is made out of a bit of iron, and we have a lot of iron in our bodies. We need iron for strength, so we can be strong. And iron is in these healthy foods like apple, dates, cereal. That's why so next time when you're choosing your cereal at the store, which one will you buy? You're right, the 90%.